For the facial exercise, first of all, you need to keep your back straight and shoulder relaxed. Then you have to open your mouth and close it gently. Now inflate an air balloon in your mouth and rotate them clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now pull your cheeks inwards and stay for a while. Now feel relaxed. Now open your eyes widely and close them tightly and feel relaxed. Now pull out your tongue completely and pause. Now open your mouth and give a big smile like then relax. We have done these exercise for different muscles of face. This facial exercise prevents wrinkles from forming on your face. It increases blood flow to face. It increases the beauty of your face. You look young and the tension of the face is removed. Today we have done 5 or 6 exercises for the face. You can do each exercise for 5 to 6 times.